Yes. Thank you, Willis. So, I just now we just mentioned about the NFT part, so I will talk a little bit more on this point. So when you are made a subscription and when your proposal is approved and executed, basically you will get a NFT. So basically this NFT indicates that okay, you are a valid subscriber of this token. So for this NFT, it's not just like something uh like a souvenir. It's not just a souvenir. It's kind of like a bond. So if you hold this NFT, you can actually redeem the Kono back at the end of the subscriptions. And of course, this NFT is also tradable on secondary markets. So whoever holds this NFT or owns this NFT, he can actually redeem the Kono back at the end of the subscription. So technically speaking, we will provide free Oracle services, at least for a certain period of time. Yeah. So on top of that, we also open the applications for validators. You guys may check out our Twitters for more details. So you guys just need to fill in the Google Forms in order to applicate in order to make an application. Then we will select validators based on the Google Forms applications. Yeah. So besides of the demo, we also have some questions from the communities. There are some frequently asked questions like some of community members, they are concerned like, are we still focusing on lending or why are we making our own oracles? So actually we have talked about this in the previous demo call or previous AMS. So the main purpose of having our own Oracle is that we want to develop a P2P lending product, which is still in the midst of developments. So for the P2P lending product, basically any user, they could make a proposals to set up his own lending pool. So technically speaking, he could set up a lending pool of any tokens or assets. So we need a very flexible or robust ways to provide price feed. So that's the reason why we are making our own oracles instead of using external ones. So that's one concern from the communities. And there's another concerns is about the parachain auctions. Like people are still confusing if it's must to win the auctions or why are we going for the auctions. So frankly speaking, it's not really must or necessary to win the auction in order to launch the product. So anyway, we are still confident that we can at least launch the Oracle mainnet by this month. And for us, if we win the parachain auctions, then it will give us more scalabilities when it comes to developments. But of course, there are pros and cons of having your own parachains. I mean, the pros is definitely you have more scalabilities. Basically, you are developing your own chains. But the cons is that, okay, we acknowledge it's very expensive and it also gives us a lot of extra dev work because we are building a chain instead of building a DApps. Yeah, so that's like some frequently asked questions on last community calls. So I think we'll be having another community call this month, probably before Christmas, as we intend to launch the mainnet by Christmas. Yeah, I think the ETH price is there.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess with that should be the end. It should be like a brief summary of what's happened last time. So we are looking forward to see you again with the next community call, and probably we'll have more update on AlphaNet launch and also our, for example, development updates. So I guess see you next time.
All right, see you guys next time. Thanks for your time.